can't see it even with the candles.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, just keep it here just in case.
Okay.
Are you not going to hold it?
Well, I guess I can.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
Okay.
It wasn't me. I swear it wasn't me. What the fuck is going on in there? Are you lying?
If there are any spirits, don't follow me.
Was that really you?
No.
That wasn't you.
Well, I thought it was you guys.
That, swear to God, that wasn't you.
No. Why would I do that?
She's lying. She's full of